Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you my favorite makeup drops of the moment. This is one of my favorite videos to film because it's so chill, it's so laid back. I'm just going through my phone, I screen record the whole thing, and I share with you my excitement. Hopefully you can share it with me down in the comment section down below as well. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start screen recording my screen right now. Okay, so I'm screen recording. I'm going to go up to trend mood. And oh my gosh. Okay, so both of these, the first two things that I'm about to show you, I have already seen. I kind of do want to get one of these mystery boxes, but I don't know. I don't like mystery boxes. I just feel like it's just leftover stuff that they have in warehouse that's just been sitting there that nobody wanted, and they just throw them in a box. I do follow Jeffrey on social media. I think he's changed the way he does mystery boxes. He puts limited edition stuff in there, so I'm really intrigued. Obviously I would go for the biggest box that he offers, but I don't know. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. Dominique Cosmetics. I am actually getting this one for sure, which is called Sweater Weather, and it looks so cute. You guys know it's all about the packaging, and it has two lippies in there, and I'm just really excited. I think I want to get two of them so I can do a giveaway for you guys, but let me know in the comments if you're interested in this or not, and I can make that happen for you. Next we have, ooh, okay, so we all know that MAC just kind of went plummeted. We don't hear about them anymore. They're not as relevant as they were 10 years ago, which is kind of sad. I wish they were, but they haven't kept up with the times, you know? So next we have the Lolita Por Vida, and I'm not excited about this. It has some fall shades in here, but it doesn't call out to me at all. So moving on to this ColourPop palette. I'm not the biggest fan. I know this is like a very unpopular opinion. I like the concept of these palettes, of these monochromatic palettes. I just don't like that the center shade is always an unsafe glitter for the eyes, and that just scares me. I don't play those games. I am very excited about this palette. When I first saw it, I was like, whoa, there's a filter on this. What are the colors? No, it's just monochromatic like that. So, and then Pat McGrath. Okay, so I actually did pick up the I Am Magic foundation, and I never got to try it. I don't know if you guys still want to see that video. I kind of still want to try it, but now she's coming out with, okay, so they're more of a contour. Whoa, holy moly, there's a lot of shades. 30, and they're $16 each. I might give this a try. Maybe I can do a foundation routine or something like that, like a Juvia's Place dedicated video. These nude palettes that Huda created for different skin tones, I really like the idea. I really like the concept, but I feel like I want to play with this more in the new year, so I might just save that for then. I don't know. Okay, so these, I actually tried them at Sephora, and you guys, I think I'm gonna get a few of these because one swipe and the pigmentation was there. It showed up like no other, and when I tried to remove it, it was so hard, and that yellow just calls my name. So because I'm platinum or something like that at Ulta, they sent me an email as soon as this dropped on the Ulta website, and I was very underwhelmed, and it kind of made me sad a little bit. I don't know why. I always make my holiday, Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection videos. They're very popular here on my channel, and I think this is the first year that I'm not going to be doing Kylie Cosmetics anything. And then just the packaging, Nothing says holiday. I don't understand what's going on. It's not doing anything for me. Ooh, Carly Bible. Okay, so Anastasia Beverly Hills is dropping so many palettes right now. Norvina Pro palettes. I bet that's like a whole separate thing in the company. They decided to drop them all basically at the same time, which is kind of crazy to me. I think this Carly Bible palette would have done so much better at the beginning of next year. Now this I'm excited about. I was actually gonna get these loose highlights when they came out, and I was gonna get all 4 of them or 3 of them, however many there were. But I'm glad they're putting them in a whole set. That way I can get them. These glitters look really pretty as well, and I think I'm gonna get these sets. So whatever I'm not getting from Kylie, I think I'm just gonna make up with other stuff. Okay, so I just got done reviewing an eyeshadow palette coming soon by NARS. It was so bad, just preview, that I had to fix it for this video with some Stila eyeshadows, and I had to amp it up a little bit more. It's been a roller coaster with this one, so I mean, anything NARS right now is not on my radar. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really want a skincare fridge. I really do. I am looking into getting this ambient lighting ghost palette. Just the name, I think it's so cute. It is $80, so it better just transform me into a whole nother person. All of these brow products coming out too is just foundation and brow products. The Norvina palettes, they're big, they're beautiful. I'm not that into them. These are really pretty, but I did swatch them in store, and they're very, I don't want to say chunky, but they're very thick in consistency. And with the Naked Honey palette by Urban Decay, George's like, hey, it's a new one, like you should get it. I'm like, nah. I'm just having a different approach to makeup nowadays, and if I see something that's unique, I grab it and I go for it. But if it's something that I feel like I already have that I don't need, I just don't grab it, because at the end of the day it is a waste of money and a waste of space and a waste of brain space as well, where I could be playing with new and exciting things, not things that have been done over and over and over again. What else? I think that's about it. I'm not finding anything else that I'm interested in, but I'm sure there's so much more coming. I just know it. I can feel it. And if I missed anything that you're excited about and you want to talk about it with me, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to talk to you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.